Next, we will be presenting the Best in Creative Barong. This award honors the candidate who wore this modern Filipino attire with elegance, cultural pride, and unique creativity.
Dasinan.
Our Best in Barong will again receive a cash and a sash. Our Best in Barong is no other than Best in Barong is Mr. Cebu City!
Galit ang sabi.
Baby!
Alright, the Barong segment was done yesterday in the preliminary competition where our candidates was able to showcase different Barong in their unique style presented by their designers.
Yes, of course, very timely because we are now celebrating August as one week of Pagkakasal. And it's very timely that we are celebrating our Filipino heritage. But of course, I would like to again call on our other reigning Mr. Friendship International. So we have here Mr. Friendship International Tourism. He is actually also our Mr. Elite Global 2025 Philippines.
Ayan.
Let's welcome Mr. Kyle Kimayong here on stage.
Ayaw nila? Ayaw nyo? di ba?
Hi Kyle, how are you doing?
Dito po upload agad.
Good evening, everyone. I'm doing great. Thanks for having me here, SPCF Pampanga. All right.
Na-miss mo ba ang spirit of friendship when it comes to competitions like this? Lalo na last year, you were one of the most top-performing candidates.
Iyan, maganda ba siya?
Grabe, no? I was looking forward to the swimmer competition compared to last year. Over the top ang physique ng ating men. So congratulations once again, and congratulations sa ating best in swimwear. Also sa ating ibang mga award winners.